Hello and welcome to a new colouring book haul. I've got a few new colouring books that I've been purchasing lately to show you. So the first couple of books I'm going to show you are books that I saw on Dev's channel from the Modernist Colourist, and he shows a lot of unusual books that I've never seen before, so his videos are very interesting. This first one is called Metamorphosis, and it's by Amelie Barnathan, and it's just gorgeous pictures. It's like a really kind of thick hardback book. It's got these really thick cardboard covers at the back and front, and there's 100 images to colour, and they're really beautiful artwork. I'll just give a quick flick through. I won't show all the pages, but you can see it's really high quality artwork, really nice. Quite thick paper, and it's quite smooth. Some of the pages have got a black background. And as you can see, they're not all of the same style. There's some like really different styles like this. Like I really like this page. That's lovely too. Okay, so that's that one. The next one that Dev enabled me to get was this one by Charles Santor. I do already have one book by Charles Santor, and it's a Wizard of Oz one, but this one's just illustrations from classic tales, so it's a mix of all different kinds of classic tales. And like Peter Rabbit, first of all, is just a brilliant artist. The Velveteen Rabbit and Skin Horse, I've never seen that. Snow White's mother dreams of having a child. The Ox and the Frog. Dorothy and Friends with the Good Witch Glinda. Peter Rabbit again. The Fairy and the Rabbit. Snow White's stepmother. The Evil Queen. Another Wizard of Oz. Another Peter Rabbit. Velveteen Rabbit. Snow White. That's a lovely picture. I really think I might colour this one. I really like that. Mr. Jeremy Fisher. The Flopsy Bunnies. The Monkey is King. Hunca Munca and Tom Thumb. Never heard of Hunca Munca. But gorgeous picture, and you can see like some of them are a little bit grayscale as well. So that would appeal to people who like grayscale. Mr. and Mrs. Flopsy Bunny stuffed Mr. McGregor's sack with rotten vegetables. And then another one from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The Bear and the Bees. Another Peter Rabbit one. A Little Red Riding Hood, I think. Oh no, The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. Tom Thumb and Hunca Munca causing mischief. And then there's a page at the back to draw your own picture. And then here we've got the pictures coloured in, so you could copy the colours if you wanted to. Oh, some of them are on there, and then yeah, and then some of them are on here. So there's a guide to copy the colours, which is good. So that's that one. So thanks very much for that, Dev, if you're watching. The next one is Geomorphia. Now I've already done a review and flip through of this, so if you want to see that, I'll add a link up at the top now, and I'll add a link underneath. The next one I got is this Adult Colouring Book, Vintage Classic Colouring Pages by Tatiana Bogema Stolova. Can't pronounce it, but I think it's the same artist that does the Nice Little Towns, because the first half of the book is this colouring book, and then again there's the illustrations from my other books, and a lot of them are from Nice Little Town. And I know in the back of the Nice Little Town books there's illustrations from her other books, so that's filled with pictures from her other books, and the first half is the illustrations for this book. And they're absolutely gorgeous. I just love them. Lovely, lovely, lovely drawings. I'll just quickly flick through them. They're just all beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This is the front cover one. It's just gorgeous. In fact, I might colour this because it's a pumpkin and it's October. I might actually do this sometime this month. Oh, and maybe that one as well. Cute little witch. Okay, so that's those. So she's obviously decided, instead of repeating the pictures twice, she, you know, just puts different pictures in from her other books, which is a good idea, because if you want to do a picture twice, you can always just copy it, can't you? You know. And then the last book I got is this, which actually was, my mum bought this for me when she was out shopping. A Witch's Special, Colouring Heaven, issue 40. So this is the first one of these that I've got. I don't know if they're only available in the UK, but it's a beautiful colouring book. Really, really gorgeous artwork. Yeah, and she picked this up in a supermarket, so I probably won't be able to find a link to this. but I will have links to all the other books underneath as always. So I'll just give a quick flick through. They're just beautiful witch pictures. I love this one, in the garden, and there's lots of plants to colour and a couple of little cats. So nice. There's a lot of pictures in it. Okay, so that's that one. So this is one of those that you can subscribe to. I might actually subscribe to it because they're not really very expensive. Oh yeah, you can. You can subscribe from Europe, Australia, USA and Canada and the rest of the world. So basically everywhere in the world you can subscribe from. So they're basically £5 per issue. Which isn't too bad because obviously colouring books are usually a lot more expensive than that. I might actually subscribe. Oh, here, because it says rest of the world £29.99 every 6 months, so that's £5 per issue. So how is that saving 35% when it is £4.99 per issue? But I've just looked here and it says 35% saving is available to UK customers paying by direct debit only. So if you subscribe, and if you're in the UK and you subscribe and you pay by direct debit, you only pay £20.95. So that's working out at less than £4 per issue. So that is really good. I'm definitely going to subscribe to this. I think do I need it though? Do I need it? Because I get so many colouring books and I don't have a lot of room. Yeah, I think I will subscribe to it because it's just so cheap. So if you're in Europe, it's €35 every 6 months. If you're in Australia, it's $57.50 every 6 months. USA and Canada, $45 every 6 months. The rest of the world, £30 every 6 months. Okay, yeah, I think I will definitely order this. Okay, so that's my latest colouring book purchases. I'll link them all underneath as always, and as I always say, I'd really appreciate it if you use my links if you're going to buy them, because I get a small commission if you do that, and it costs nothing extra to yourself, and it helps me buy more books for the channel and more colouring supplies. And I wish I could do more and more and more of these videos, but obviously because I have to buy the books, it's the cost of the books. The cost of the books really limit me in how much I can show on the channel. Okay, so thanks again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe if you have.